Welcome sports fans, welcome back to another episode, and this is a very, very special episode, right? A very important one too. I'm your host Jomar.
I'm Rush.
And this is the Sardat Sports TV, the place you guys come to get the best, most interesting and riveting sports topics, discussions. Then know the rest.
But yeah, people, we're here to thank you for 1,000 subscribers. You know, we started the YouTube journey a little under 5 months ago. Our first video was sometime in November. And we didn't even finish March yet, and we're at 1,000 subscribers. And I want to thank you. Really appreciate it. When I think about 1,000 strangers, well, probably not 1,000 strangers, but definitely 900 odd strangers subscribing to our channel.
And have become more than strangers.
Yeah, I love it. And think about it, bro. 1,000 people can't hold another room. Yeah, that's a lot of people supporting us. It might not be a lot in terms of the YouTube algorithm and the YouTube
scale.
Yeah, but in terms of just numbers, 1,000 people clicking that subscribe button is a lot. I would love it. And if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button and trust me, you won't be disappointed.
Yeah man, coming a far way, as I said, over these past couple of months. You know, we've both been through a lot, like on camera, off camera, you get me? And coming and talking to you guys about football, cricket, sports in general, that's just something that has given us peace. You know, have given us peace. Something where, like, allow us to clear our heads, because this is what we enjoy doing. Making good content for people like you guys, you know, interacting with you guys, you know, getting criticized by some of you guys, getting praised and encouraged by some of you guys.
Those comments though, trust me.
It's all in the game, and you know, it's been an up and down journey, and it's only just beginning.
Yeah.
But there are some people from the beginning, when I point out, from the very, very beginning, who I have to point out. Man like Gabidan, Ames, my Auntie Simone, you know, always there. And, you know, family members, friends, everybody that always constantly support us, comment, like, share and subscribe to videos. We really, really, really appreciate it. And those are just a few names, man like Bennett, that could have come off the head right now. However, there's so many more.
Yeah. Right? Whatever people can shout out. Jilly, you know yourself. All our dogs that really support the channel. You know, Brandon, you know, when we need an extra cameraman, we can shout them or shout them out and say, oh, come do this. So we really appreciate it. But we can give them some insight into why we've started the channel, bro. Because I remember we've been talking about this. See, a lot of people know what we went to sixth form together. Yeah. You know, and these conversations would happen all the time. You know, we talk about this is all we do. We come to school and we just sit down and talk about sports. So we had the idea from high school, we need to start YouTube. It was always a passion of yours, journalism. It grew on me, and you know, we spoke about it for years. And last summer, you know, we were away, and one day we just texted and said, bro, we need to start now. Yeah, this is the time, you know, so let's get some equipment and let's do it.
And I had a spare room in my house. You know, we buy some.
Yeah, the dog's rich, the dogs have rooms.
as me said, nothing like that. Buy some blue cloth. In fact, it was provisioned by my mother.
Yeah. Listen, people, them money and mother have everything you need. I'm not ask you. Name it, have it. But go continue.
So yeah, you know, and we set up a green screen, and we believe that we're pioneers. We did something different, and we will continue to do things different. You know, as we grow, ideas will continue to come, more things will develop, and we'll continue getting better and better for you guys. So thanks to everybody who, you know, give you a helping hand, who support us and continue to support us. And guys, it's if each one of you guys who are watching the video, because obviously I remember at one point, remember when Javidan did the maths and it was like 700 or something like that? Yeah. Obviously, some of you guys did the maths, right? Yeah. So thanks to all the people that were there to do the maths and keep doing the maths. Each one of you guys, now we're at 1,000.
And we're gonna keep growing, man.
Each one of you guys can share this video and get us 5 subscribers by the end of the day. That's 5,000 subscribers.
Quick question. What's your favorite video so far?
My favorite video so far? I don't know.
Or feature?
Yeah, well, to be honest, the schoolboy videos, bro. Like, those were fun. The one in Calabar was our first one. That felt like our baby, to be honest, you know. The idea was just running up and down in our heads, and, you know, we spoke to the coach and they gave us permission to come in and, you know, talk to the players, and it turned out into a masterpiece in my opinion.
Yeah.
And then
still one of our best videos to this day.
A recent feature, you know, where we went to speak with Romeo Guthrie.
Yeah, that's my favorite. The challenge is actually I don't know if you're talking about the challenge or the getting to know feature.
I think
the challenge is my personal favorite video. That's a video I enjoy editing
Is it
most.
is it because you show the people themselves?
So,
I wouldn't say baller, but
brother, the comments say it. The comments say
you
it.
can kind of knock it. You get me? I say, anyways,
Yeah.
the Premier League player said that I was good enough to be in the Premier League itself. So, for whatever
Yeah,
that
so-
means, you know.
Some good content to go on. Yeah.
So, yeah, people. So once again, thank you so much, and we hope to be doing another video like this again at 5,000 and then 10,000. So, thank you for coming with us on the journey, and invite all of the friends and family to join us on the journey too, because serious football conversation, sports conversation goes on here. With that said though,
Big up madam, father, sister. Go on.
with that said though, this is This or That Sports TV.
I don't know.
Just for now.
Yeah.